Cookies! Cookie time! I love cookies. I have to be careful how many I eat because I have to watch my blood sugar. But I found a cookie recipe that I really like. Let me show it to you. Okay, here's the cookies. Ooh, I set that one down there when it was a little too warm. There we go. They taste just like the old-fashioned cookies that you got off the back of the Nestle's package. They taste perfect. But they're better for you, I guess. Okay, what all do they have in them? They have a half a cup of butter, a quarter of a cup of honey, two teaspoons of vanilla, and a cup of flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda. So what I do is I mix the flour and the baking soda together. Then I add the butter and the honey and the vanilla. And I get that all stirred up, and then I add approximately a cup and a half with several handfuls, or sometimes I just add one of those small packages of I like semi-sweet. The recipe calls for milk chocolate, but I use semi-sweet. And if you really were trying to keep the sugar level down, I suppose you could use some sugar-free chocolate chips. But anyway, yeah, it says semi-sweet or dark chocolate or even carrot chips. Mix it all together. And this has got instructions, what I just kind of told you about. Okay, so once I mix it all together, I just plop spoonfuls on my baking sheet. This says to flatten each cookie dough ball, make dough balls and flatten them, but I don't do that. I just put a spoonful on the baking sheet, and then I bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're not a Fahrenheit person, I'm not sure what the translation is into Celsius. You'll have to look that up, I guess. For 8 to 10 minutes, and I set mine for 10 minutes exactly, and that was perfect. It says or until done. But not browned. Well, mine are a little bit browned. I like them that way. And then let them sit on the baking sheet for a few minutes. Yes, and the ones that I didn't do that with, they kind of stuck to the top there. But they are yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy in the tummy. And that's my video to share for today, is making chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, I know it has nothing to do with gardening. That's okay. I like to show you things in my kitchen, and I've done that before too. So I hope you're having a good day. May the good Lord richly bless you. Until the next video. Bye.